Fix your iPhone battery drain on iOS 26. Step 1 is to go over to the App Store, and we're going to update all of your apps. So go to your name at the top right corner, and then scroll down where you see it says upcoming automatic updates. What you want to do is just go to update all. So go ahead and update all, and it's going to update all of those apps, and they're going to be reformatted and updated for iOS 26. Step 2 is to come out of here, go to your settings, and we're going to go to background app refresh. So go to general, scroll down until you see where it says background app refresh. And what we can do here is go ahead and at the very top, go ahead and click that. And what you want to do is either click off or just choose Wi-Fi. That way it's not constantly updating your apps. So that is step number 2. Another thing you can do is go ahead and check the battery usage. So what we're going to do is go ahead and come out of here, go to battery, and then it will give you all of the recent usage. Go to view all battery usage at the bottom here, and this will give you a list of how much battery is being used from the apps that you're using, and you can either make a decision on what apps to possibly get rid of, and just this gives you a really good overlook of what apps are using, how much power that they're using for your battery. The next thing you can do is manage location services. So go ahead and back out of here. Stay in your settings. You want to scroll down until you see privacy and security. And then you want to stay at the top where it says location services. So this is really important because your apps will use your location, but you can limit or turn this off. So go ahead, and I'm just going to choose this one right here, 18 birdies. And as you see, I have it chosen for while using the app. If you have it on always, it will use more battery. But what you can do is go to while using the app or just click never. And that way the app won't constantly be looking for location on your phone, whether you're on Wi-Fi or just cellular regular data. So those are some tips to manage and fix your iPhone battery drain. What you can do is back out of here, go to your main settings page, and go to battery. And what you want to do is go to where it says power mode at the very bottom. I have mine on adaptive, but what you can do is go ahead and choose low power mode. This is really going to limit what your phone can do, but it will also save your battery in the long run. So this is also an option if you're still having some issues with your iOS 26 draining your battery too much. And that's it. That's how you would go about fixing your iPhone battery drain.